Looks like it's raining. This for a while. Guess we won't go outside today. I have an idea. Let's read a book. I have one here. This is one of my favorites. It's called Prologue in Heaven. And it goes like this. The three archangels came forward. Raphael, the sun intones an ancient turning, with brother spheres a rival fulfilling its predestined journey, with march of thunder moves along. Its aspects gives the angels power, though none can ever solve its ways. The lofty works beyond this tower, sublime as on first of days. Gabriel, a swift beyond where knowledge ranges, earth's splendor whirls in circling flight. A paradise of brightness changes to awful, shuddering depths of night. The sea foams up, widespread of surging, against the rock's deep sunken base. The rock and sea sweep onward, marching in rushing spheres, eternal race. Michael and rival tempests roar and shatter, from sea to land, from land to sea, and raging form a circle fetter of deep, effective energy. There flames destruction, flashing, searing, before the crashing thunder's way. Yet, Lord, thy angels are revering the gentle progress of thy the three. In aspects gives the angels power, since none can solve thee nor thy ways. And all thy works beyond this tower, sublime as on first of days. Since you, O Lord, once more draw near and ask how all is getting on, and you, wherever, well content to see me here. You see me also miss your routine. Forgive fine speech I can never make, though all the circle look on me with scorn. Pathos, from when make your sighs with laughter shake. Had you not laughed there long ago, or sworn of suns and worlds, I've not to say worth mention. How men torment them claims my whole attention. Earth little God retains his same old stamp and ways, his wretched ways makes them lamented. I am myself reluctant to torment the Lord. Do you know Voss, the doctor? Yes, my servant. He. For through these herbs you most peculiarly, unearthly, are full strengths of his food. The ferment drives him far afar, though half aware in his insensate mood, he has of heaven every fair star, and all the earth each high assessed, and all things near and all things far, cannot appease his deeply troubled breast. Although he serves me now confusedly, I soon shall lead him forth where all is clear. The gardener knows, when verdant grows the tree, that bloom of the fruit will deck the coming year. What will you wager? Him you yet shall lose. If you lose, give me your permission to lead him gently on the path I choose. The Lord, as long as on the earth he shall survive, so long you'll meet no privation. Man errs as long as he doth strive. Thank you for that, for which the dead I've never got, myself entangled of my own mutilation. I like full fresh cheeks best of all the lot. I'm not at home when corpse seek my house. I feel about it as a cat does with a mouse. The Lord, 'tis well, so help me granted you today. Divert the spirit from the primal source, and if you lay hold on him, you may conduct him downward on your course, and stand abashed when you're forced to say, a good man, though his striving be obscure, remains aware that there is one right way. All right, but long it won't endure. Have no fear about my bed, be sure. When I attain my way, I don't protest, but let me triumph with a swelling breast. Thus shall he eat, and that with zest, as did the famous snake, my near relation. The Lord, in that you may have play your part quite free. Your kind I never did detest. All of the spirits of negation, the wagway nears of all of me. Mankind's activity can languish all too easily. A man soon's love unhampered rest. Hence, gladly I give him a comrade such as you, who stirs and works in mist, as devil do. But ye, real sons of God, lift up your voice. In living profuse beauty of rejoice. May that grows and lives and works forever, and gird you love's gracious bond and taught. Ever may appear to float and waver. Make steadfast and enduring thought. I like to see old men not frequently, but I forbear to break him or uncivil. It's very pretty and so great a lord as he, to talk like a man even with the devil. That was a very interesting poem. Would you like to read another book? You don't? You're pretty tired. is actually very calming. You have trouble sleeping? Well, that's okay. Let me show you something. I want you to close your eyes. Okay. Now, I want you to breathe. I want you to breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, move your toes. Move your right foot toe. Now move your right foot second toe. Now move your right foot third toe. Now move your right foot fourth toe. Now move your right foot fifth toe. Now move your left foot big toe. Move your left foot second toe. Move your left foot third toe. Move your left foot fourth toe. Now move your right foot pinky toe. Now move your right thumb. Now move your right index finger. Now move your right middle finger. Now move your right ring finger. Now move your right hand pinky. Now move your left hand thumb. Now move your left hand index finger. Now move your left hand middle finger. Now move your left hand ring finger. Now move your right left hand pinky finger. Now let's breathe again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay. Good. endless solitudes beneath my feet. I walk in thoughtfulness along the summit's verge, relinquishing my chariot of clouds that bore me gently over land and sea through smiling days. Slowly, not scattering, it draws away from me. Off to the east, the mast trains, rolling on and on. The eye strains after it, admiring in amaze. It breaks while moving, billow-like and gingerly, yet seems reshaping. My eyes deceive me not. On sun-illuminate billows gloriously reclines, of giant size and true, calm-like woman's form. I see it, like to Juno, Leda, Helen. It floats in lovely majesty before my sight. Alas, is shifting, formless, broad and towering, with ice-clad peaks, and dazzling mirrors, swift days of great significance. Yet round me floats a light and tender misty wreath, around my breast and brow cheering, caressing cool. Now it mounts high and higher, lightly, lingering. It draws together, doth a rapturing form deceive my eyes. Youth first, long enjoyed in highful bliss, the earliest, deepest treasures of my